make suji ka kheer. So it's very simple about suji ka kheer is we need suji, we need milk. As you already know, I'm already a certified Madrasi. मद्रासियों का खाना कोकोनट के सिवा बनता नहीं है, तो आज की खीर में कोकोनट भी जाएगा. You have this essence, pineapple essence, and then you have the milk made. Okay, so first before that you need 1 liter of milk, which I've already placed in the container and it's getting boiled. Meanwhile, what we do is we need to soak the suji in milk. Before that, we need to put some sugar. अब 3 बोल सूजी के लिए you need to put minimum 3 big bowls of sugar. Okay. Few of my friends recommended तुम कितना sugar use करते हो, बिना मीठे के बिना शक्कर के मीठा अच्छा नहीं लगता है, तो I need a little bit. And then you put all the milk here. Okay. And then you put a bowl, small bowl full of coconut. People who don't know how to break the coconut and try to make it into small granules, what you can do is you can call your grocery guy, he will do it for you. People who live in Doha, and if they have their grocery guy, they usually grind it for you and they give it to you. So today I didn't do any much of hard work, I just told him and he got it for me. So you nicely mix it and you take the suji in a bowl. Okay. हमने 3 बोल शुगर का लिया, तो 1 superstitious, I don't put anything 3, so a little bit more than 3, and we try to mix it. Because अगर हम ऐसे ही उसको दूध में डालेंगे, there will be a big lumps of sheera of suji. So we try to mix it nicely and we soak it a bit. A little bit of milk. And this is pineapple essence, so you need to be very careful with essence. Just a small drop, like 5 drops should be more than enough for the whole thing. Let's mix it. I think like 1 liter of milk inside. Okay. So 1 liter of milk. Not even half, less than portion of rava and 3 bowls of sugar. Okay, that's the whole content is, and you slowly try to put it inside this. The thing is one orange color, which is called as food color. I like orange color in this a particular kind of kheer, that is suji ka kheer. You can find it in any grocery store. Okay, and cardamom. So bit of cardamom should be fine. Okay, and now this color I mix it with milk. It's up to you how do you want it, but I prefer it with the milk. You can put water also, but अब दूध का खीर बना रहे हो उसमें पानी डालना अच्छा नहीं लगता है, so I prefer milk. serve it hot, cold, both taste great. So you can have it, and do not forget to have your cup of green tea. हर चीटिंग करने के बाद green tea तो बनता है. So for now, see you soon, and I'll come up with next video. If you need any information regarding this kheer, you know who to contact. Bye and stay blessed.